Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying system-level audio so you don't chase ghosts. First, make sure macOS output isn't muted and the correct device is selected. This avoids routing to headphones or HDMI. Then, inside Garageband, inspect the track. Ensure it's not muted, not soloing another track, and the track output routes to the master output. Finally, open Audio MIDI Setup to confirm sample rate and channel format match Garageband. Mismatched rates can silence audio, so set both to the same value. Once you've checked routing, go into Garageband Preferences and explicitly pick the input and output device. This forces Garageband to reinitialize the audio engine. If sound still fails, restart the driver by switching device, then switching back, or toggle core audio off and on. That clears locked driver states. Also disable third-party plugins or audio units temporarily because a faulty plugin can crash the audio engine. Reopen the project after each change to see which action restores sound. To finish, save your work, quit GarageBand, and reboot the Mac to clear system audio locks and hung processes. That often fixes intermittent silence. If problems persist, reset GarageBand preferences by removing its plis so defaults reload. Doing this can undo corrupted settings. If you still hear nothing, create a fresh project and add a test track. This isolates whether the original project is corrupt. Troubleshooting tip: if audio returns in a new project, import pieces of the old project incrementally to find the offended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.